Hello, today I'll be unboxing the iPhone XS, and pretty sure you already know the specs. Just typical A12 Bionic, 3 gigs of RAM, 430 PPI approximately. Dual SIM. This is 64 gigabyte space gray. So without further ado, let's get on to it. So just box, instruction manual, comes with typical instructions and the Apple stickers. Really cool. And of course, here are the accessories: charging brick, lightning earpods, lightning to USB cable, no dongle, but I mostly use Bluetooth, so I think I'll be good. And the phone. Space gray iPhone X. Damn. And I'll peel it off. Jeez. Feels really good in the hands. Amazing. And yeah, let me just power it up. Pretty cool phone, and I guess in the future I'll do a comparison video between this and the Galaxy S6. Compare to see which phone's better. But until then, thanks for watching.